Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really sweet bookmark out of upcycled paper. This is an old comic book and it works really great as a bookmark, and I just think it's really sweet and you can make it out of so many different things. So this is out of a comic book. You could also do it out of plain paper if you'd like, and then you could also attach little extra things. And if you'd like to learn how to make this sweet little flower, this was out of upcycled map. There's a link right now. So then let's get started with our bookmark. Today I'm going to be using from an old Cat in the Hat book. I'm going to take a page out. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and make a square. The easiest way to make a square is to go ahead and make a triangle. And then fold that extra piece up. That will always give you a perfect square. And then you just cut off that extra piece right here. And I'm just going to neaten this up where I took it out. So the first step is you're going to take your square and you're going to fold it in half. But you're going to decide, do you want this to show? Do you want this to show? So I want more of the Cat in the Hat to show. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it this way. Then you're going to take your bottom right corner of the triangle and bring it up. Bottom left of the triangle and bring it up. I always like that little fish. Then you're going to take the top right here and bring it down. Take the other top and bring it down. Whatever you do to one side, you do the other side. And then you're going to go ahead and take the top, bring it down. Then you bring this back up and tuck that in. Bring this up, and again, tuck it in. And there you have it, this really sweet bookmark. And then you can just go ahead, and there you have it. Quick, easy, really fun project.